everybody, welcome our audience in our channel Learn Cooking. Welcome everybody in a new video today. I'm going to prepare kofta with potato or kebab with potatoes. I have minced meat, 500 gram of minced meat, 250 gram of onion. I've grated the onions like this. This is the onion water, potatoes, salt and black pepper. I squeeze the onion and remove the water from it. Now in a tray, I mix the salt with pepper and black pepper with the onion and minced meat and mix them together. I cut the potato into slices like this, and with shish tawak stick I will form the beef like this. This is the tray. Now I add the onion water and I put it in the oven under the grill on a medium heat for about 30 minutes. Then it will be ready. You can see this is the kofta with potatoes after it's finished. It's well done and very easy to do. I hope you try doing this recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, activate the bell icon. You can see it's wonderful and have a very delicious color. It's well done from all sides. You can eat it with some potato chips and some pasta. Thank you.